magnet?
Magnet pa.
Ah, magnet. Halika na, dito ka daan. Halika na. Where are you? Come on. Kiss mama. How's school?
Good. Super duper good.
Super duper good. Did you cry? What did you do?
Nagaan, magpe-play.
Wait lang na. What did you do sa school?
Good. Very good. Very good sa school.
Ano ginawa niyo nila teacher?
I don't know.
What? Hindi kayo nag-sing?
Nag-sing, pero nag-dance, tapos nag-play.
Who's your teacher? What's name?
Ay, no, yun lang.
Sino yun? Ano name?
Ayan yung teacher ko.
Yeah, teacher. What? Hi. Ano classmate niyo? Si teacher Algreen.
Yeah, teacher Alvin.
Yeah. Dapat alam mo yung name ng teacher.
Teacher Alvin yan, ma'am.
Ano to ginawa niyo ni teacher? It's my first day. Wow, ginawa mo yan?
Anong ginawa ni, teacher Alvin?
At tapos yung
Tapos
ginawa
ito
niya?
pa yung sa
Classmate na rin siya. Oh, behave lang siya, oh. Waiting lang siya sa sundo niya. Dito ka lang mag-wait, ha? Pag wala pa si mami, okay?
Yeah.
Tapos pag maririnig mo si Bubu Chacha,
Paano nagpipila lang kami?
Yeah.
Tagal ng pila.
ang tagal na mo yan.
Nag-inta ko din.
It ka.
Dapat kumain daw ng ano yun? Graham. Di ba may Graham dun eh?
Bye-bye ka na, classmate. Bye!
Makulit. Ayan yung bully sa old old school. Ayan yung bully ko, ma'am.
Really?
Yung bully, yeah.
Why? Why did you say he's bully on your old school?
Yeah. Nag-ano sa kulit. Nagkukulit. Tapos takbo-takbo. Ikot-ikot.
Ginagaya mo siya.
Hindi. Kulang ako ng ganito.
Ah, very cool. Do you like your, your school? You like
Yeah.
Kuya school?
It's more much better than my
Really?